Yo, welcome back to Time with Jorcyils. As you all know, I'm your girl Cynthia. Today I'm so excited because we are going to be making my favorite bread ever. Okay, as you can see on your screen, we are going to be making this delicious fluffy banana bread. This bread is sumptuous and this bread is easy to make, guys. Very easy to make. We just need 5 ingredients for this bread. All right, if this is your first time of coming across this channel, I want to say you're welcome. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and drop your comment. And for my old subscribers, I want to say a very big thank you for staying with your girl, and also thank for helping me grow this channel to this extent. I really appreciate you guys. So without wasting much time, without further ado, let's get right into the video. Yes, our banana bread is ready and is looking so delicious. This is so inviting. All right, drop your comment if you like today's video or you want me to keep doing voiceover. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and drop your comment, guys. I told you your comments are very important. Do try out this recipe and tell me the outcome. Stay safe, remain blessed. Until our next video, bye.